Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO P101, and today I would like to show you how you can locate text correction options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Then click on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Rebirth. Lastly, tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. To manage them, click on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!